Hi everyone. Louis is going to tell us how he adds this amount of money to that amount of money.
Yeah.
So let's write something down. So how much is here, Louis?
Well, $2.
Yeah.
10 cents. So $2.10, and then this is 7
Pennies.
cents.
Yeah.
So it's $2.17.
Okay, so $2 and
17
cents. Okay, and then what do we have over here?
We have $2. $2.06.
Okay, so $2.06.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's add these pennies together first. I'm going to put a line underneath here so it looks similar to that. So let's add these pennies together first. So we have 7 plus 6.
7 plus 6 is 13.
Yeah, and can you see it right here, Louis? Look, there's the 10, and then 3 more.
Yeah.
Okay, so instead of these pennies, though, I'm going to exchange 10 of these for a dime.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and I'll pull in a dime. So we still have 13 cents here, right?
Yeah.
So we'll pull these down. Can you write down what you want to write down over there?
Yeah, so we'll put a 3. Sorry, I'll draw it bigger. A 3. Which is 3?
That's a 3. Let's see if we can make it a little bit clearer for people.
Yeah.
Okay, but I have 13 here.
Yeah.
So what should I do so it looks like yours?
You add 1 onto here.
Okay, so I'll just bring the dime up here.
And then I can write 1 right here.
Okay, and then so we have 10 cents plus 10 cents, which is 20 cents?
Yep, so 2.
Oh, so you have 23 cents and I have 23 cents.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, and then we just have
2 plus 2.
Yeah, which is how much?
Which is 4. So 0.4.
So 217 plus $2.06 is $4.23.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone. Today Anna's going to tell us how she adds $2.17 to $2.06. So I've got everything here. This is $2.17 and this is $2.06. So to figure this out, we got to figure out the total amount here, right? How do you want to count it?
First, I'm going to add $2 to $2.17.
Okay, so let's write something down so people can see it. So this is $2.17. And you're saying, well, let's just add $2 to it. So how much is here?
There altogether?
Yeah.
$4.17.
Okay, so $4.17. And then we have this 6 cents left. What do you want to do with it?
First, I'm going to add 3 cents.
Okay, so you're going to add just this. And why are you doing that, Anna?
Because it just gives me a nice friendly number.
Okay, so $4 and
20
cents. Okay, and then we add 3 more cents. So how much do we have in total then?
$4.23.
$4.23. Now, just to make it even more clear, I'm going to show people how you split this up. You split it up into $2.03, and then another 3 cents. So 3 cents. So you just went 217 plus 2 is 417, plus 3 cents is 420, then another 3 cents is 423. Awesome.
Thanks.
That's great.
Bye, everyone.